In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get help from Wix. Whether you're building a new site or polishing a live one, knowing exactly where to find support can save you a ton of time. I'll walk you through how to open the help menu, how to ask a clear question so you get the best answers, and how to start a live chat when you need a person to step in. Start in the Wix editor. With your site open, look toward the top left of the screen and click Help. This opens the Help panel, which is your central place for guidance while you work. It's designed to be quick and context-aware, so you don't have to leave your page to troubleshoot. Inside the Help panel, you'll see a search field where you can ask a specific question. Type what you need in plain language, but be as precise as possible. For example, instead of writing menu problem, try make my site menu sticky on scroll, or replace video issue with embed a YouTube video that autoplays on mobile. The more specific your wording, the better the suggested answers will match your situation. As results appear, look for titles that mirror your keywords. Many articles include short, step-by-step guidance and quick visuals, so you can follow along without guessing. If you don't find the perfect match on your first try, adjust a keyword or two. Swap header for strip, or include the app name you're using to narrow things down. If you prefer real-time help, click Chat with Us right from the same panel. This opens a conversation with Wix support. Briefly describe what's happening and what you've already tried. Sharing details like the page you're working on or the exact button you clicked helps the agent understand your setup faster and provide targeted instructions. If the issue is intermittent, note when it occurs, like only after I publish or only on mobile view. The agent may point you to the exact article you need, walk you through steps live, or escalate your case if something deeper is going on. A couple of quick tips as you chat. Keep your message focused on one problem at a time and stay in the editor while you talk so you can try suggestions immediately. If chat is temporarily busy, leave the help panel open and continue working with the article you found. Then pop back to chat when it becomes available. That's it. Open. Help at the top left, ask a specific question, or start a chat when you need hands-on assistance. With these tools, you can solve issues faster and keep your project moving smoothly.